Justo G's deer hunting. Hit that sub button, show some love. Let's get into it. Nothing more to say.
You know, boy, you don't shot this shit.
This nigga Justo G's is a problem. This nigga been going crazy. Mad videos, mad songs, consistent, quality, good, bro. Ain't nothing more to say. This nigga been going crazy.
It's like Justo G's, nigga. I'ma click on this shit till the nigga go deaf in the air. You know that I'm smoking on eater, that's something about combo when there's a new op in the air. Shit, I really don't gotta be destined to get your attention, but fuck it, I really don't care. Like slide through, hop at the V and start clearing the scene. I'ma aim like I'm hunting for deer. Why the fuck they gon' check the outside when we spin through these silent like guys, them niggas never there. Big knocks in my head when I spin through the hell. I'm screaming, oh, I came to make it clear. Top op, Justo G's is the one that they hate. And the one them oppy niggas fear. When I spit trying to make a flock, it disappear. When I show, but I not go like what I permit. Like, it's a social killer if I don't got the chop, try to box, now you win one. I be your shot in this Biggie BK. How you jack him your op and you don't got no income. I keep a big gun, I do not lie. Like naughty, see how, eat out pack. Spin through the radar, try to find a trap. Once we do that, some pro and shell is getting cracked. Then it's back to the back. Y'all niggas be poking and shit really sad. Why the fuck y'all bitches out here doing back? Like,
this nigga tough. Like, when I say he's tough, like, fast flow, you can hear everything he's saying. Like, this nigga tough.
Income. I keep a big gun, I do not lie. Like naughty, see how, eat out pack. Spin through the radar, try to find a trap. Once we do that, some pro and shell is getting cracked. Then it's back to the back. Y'all niggas be poking and shit really sad. Why the fuck y'all bitches out here doing back? Like CeeLo went to knock out a pack. Hey, chat float milk, see him out the strap. Like what's you dissing, broke in your trap. Try to run out his hollow, stuck up in your back. Anytime see I was first to go attack. Ask and he'll tell you man was running live. 0602, I'm tired of the dissing, what y'all ever do? Roscoe got beat and kicked up all the shoes. Niggas spoke naughty all about his shoes. And I've been in my since I came out the womb. Now it's nice for the denim, no more wearing suits. Big knock out, better put this shit to you. Like boom, like, God, ball. Send an O to a different dimension. Tow truck if he spot him, don't miss him. He said, bro, you should know my position. Hopped off the V and start clicking and clicking. Me and Ed got too deep on the mission. I'm like Jordan, that little nigga Pippin. I'ma score, bro, get the assistant. 40 on me, I spot TG, I'm spliffing. Fuck by a trip, I'ma go by a loadout. Big RVT, nigga, we bring the pose out. Ready to show out. Rockin' on anything, I play, bro, cause
This nigga got it, bro. This nigga go there.
I'm like Jordan, that little nigga Pippin. I'ma score, bro, get the assistant. 40 on me, I spot TG, I'm spliffing. Fuck by a trip, I'ma go by a loadout. Big RVT, nigga, we bring the pose out. Ready to show out. Rockin' on anything, I play, bro, cause the right nigga sold out. What is that flow about? What a bro, niggas be bugging. You sound like a racket, choking. A lot of y'all niggas be surfing, y'all get behind walls. I was really in it like this goes down.
Nah, this nigga is, bro.
Get out, bro! It's not Justo G's, nigga, you heard? Mr. Dropping my phone, knocking at your fucking door!
Yeah, that's crazy. Drop my phone, knock at your door. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. This nigga tough. Fast-paced flow. And you can understand what he's saying. What else can you ask for? Like, this shit's tough. Consistent, good quality, understandable. Them the key three things to be a good drill rapper. Or disrespectful, but you know, he's disrespectful. Hit that sub button. I'm gonna rate this a calm 8.8. I would have rated higher, but it's a little short, and you know. But nothing more to say. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like him, like RPT, him and N-Dot are really gonna take over the, like, they already taking over the throne slowly as, like, you know, the main top members are locked up. They slowly taking over the throne. But I feel like I give them a couple, like 2, 3, 4 months, and I feel like they're really gonna have the throne. A couple more months after that, they're gonna really, like, a lot of people who gonna come new to drill will only know them as the main people at RPT. You know what I mean? But y'all hit that sub button, show some love, do chat, because more videos coming soon. Free RPT. Word.